All right, so this Century Collagen Peptides was sent to me to try out. I was really interested in this product because I'm turning 40 this year, and as I've gotten older, I've started feeling those aches and pains, especially after working out. And so I started exploring this because what it says in the back is collagen is the most abundant protein in your body. It is a structure that holds you together, providing both strength and elasticity to your skin, bones, muscles, tendons, and ligaments. And honestly, before this, I thought collagen was something we used to try to put on our face to keep young. But this is a powder that I can mix into my drinks and into my meals. It says that serving size is 4 tablespoons, which is 20 grams. And so each container has 30 servings in it. And so I want to see today how well it mixes in. So I'll open this up. I wanted to see if there's a scoop or something in here. All right, so they didn't provide a spoon or anything or a little thing. This is half a tablespoon, so I'd have to get 8 of these for a serving. I don't think you have to use 4 in your drink, right? You could essentially use 1 serving or 1 tablespoon in your drink to see if that's enough. So this is just a regular, honestly, water with grenadine. I wanted to see how it does in ice water or cold water because sometimes things are harder to break down in something that's cold, so we will mix it up. So I only really put half of what is the recommended dosage just because I wanted to see how well it would break down in this. So just looking at it, you can see that it's mixed in good, but you can see a little bit of the powder at the bottom. And again, I don't know if maybe it's because it's cold water. I'm trying mixing it a little bit more just to see if that will help. But even though there's some at the bottom, I don't have any big clumps is what I noticed. So I'm gonna try this specifically just to see if there's any taste in it. So there's no chemically taste. All I taste is my water with the grenadine. I don't taste anything. I will say any collagen I've tried before, it makes my mouth feel a little dry, which is also why I only use half of the recommended dose on this because I would just break it up. So far not bad. I'm gonna try this again. This time I'm gonna try this with room temperature water. All right, so same cup, but this time with room temperature water. I am going to put the same amount, which is the 2 tablespoons. Again, the recommended dosage each day is 4. So we will just mix it up to see if maybe it was the cold water, which is why it wasn't letting it fully break down. Either way, there wasn't any clumps in the water, but I just want to see if maybe mixing it in a drink that's not cold is better. I mean, you can always ice it up, but I already like the fact that I don't feel like there's any clumps. So I feel like that mixed in better this time. I'm gonna look at the bottom. Yeah, for sure. This definitely mixed in a lot better than when I had ice in my water. So I already know I'm probably going to use room temperature water and then add the ice. I just wanted you to see as it's settling, there's actually nothing at the bottom. Everything is at the top now. So it's definitely mixed in and then it's at the top. All right, so I like the fact that this doesn't have any taste in it. So that means I can mix it up in my drinks real easily. I found out that it dissolves really good in room temperature water. And so if you want to add ice to it afterwards, that's how I would recommend that you take this. I don't necessarily like pills, so I like the fact that this is made in powder form and I can just mix it up, which will make it easier to incorporate into my routine. So I also like the fact that this is not just a cream. This is something that works from the inside out, and it's not just something for my skin. It is going to help with my bones, tendons, ligaments, and muscles. So collagen, if you didn't know, that's what makes that bounce and healthy glow that we have on our skin. So this is going to be a staple in my supplements. So if you're looking to up your game in your self-care and you want to support your skin, ligaments, joints, bones, and muscles, you definitely should check this one out.